Click on the speaker icon to test it out. Let's hear what this sounds like. Sawubona Mzansi. Let's have a look at this week's update. In order to see these updates on MIH, you'd either have to update it through the Play Store, or if you are using the web version, it will automatically update for you. Let's scroll down to the What's New section on the MIH Play Store listing. Over here, we can see that there are 4 new quality of life improvements and 5 new bug fixes. Let's start off going through the quality of life improvements. So the first quality of life improvement is to the Mzansi Wallet. Thanks to Tsepo, one of the members of Mzansi, who requested to add the electricity meter number for prepaid electricity purchases. So Tsepo, I've added that in for you. And we've also improved how we displayed the card number, and we've split up the digits into 4-digit chunks. This is to make it easier for the cashier to read the card number if they are entering it in manually. Let's check out the Mzansi Wallet's updates. Let's open it up. Let's try and add the new Eskom card to our Mzansi Wallet. Let's click on the card with the plus icon at the top of the screen. Click on shop name, and then we'll scroll down until we find Eskom. There's it here. Then we can either scan our barcode or we can enter the card number in manually, and then we can click on add. And you can see now that our Eskom card has been loaded to the Mzansi Wallet. If we open that up, we can also see how the card number is now split up into 4-digit chunks, which will make it easier for us to read. Thank you so much to Tsepo for suggesting this. And if there's any other suggestions out there, please leave a comment to let me know what loyalty card would you like to load onto the Mzansi Wallet. The next enhancements were made to the Mzansi AI. Firstly, we've added text-to-speech to the Mzansi AI's response. Next, we've neatened up what the settings looks like. Let's jump into the Mzansi AI. And the first enhancement that we'll look at is the changes to settings. If we click on that, we'll see that there's a border around our settings, and also a new field has been added called AI voice. This is the new text-to-speech voice that we've added in. What we can do here is select the voice that we want to use, and then also click on the speaker icon to test it out. Let's hear what this sounds like. Sorry, I had to disconnect my phone because the audio wasn't playing while it was connected. So you can see that I'm on the settings, and I'm going to click on the speaker icon now.
This is the sample of the Mzansi AI voice.
Now let's see how the text-to-speech works in the chat. I'll send the message, hey. You'll now notice that there's a red speaker icon on the top left-hand corner. It will change to green once the text-to-speech is ready for you to use. I'm going to unplug my phone so you can see what it sounds like.
It's Mzansi AI, here. Waving hand sign. I'm powered by MIH, the brainchild of the awesome folks at Mzansi Innovation Hub down in South Africa. What can I do for you today?
That's what the text-to-speech sounds like. And that's everything new to the Mzansi AI. Leave a comment to let me know what you think about the new text-to-speech feature. The next enhancement that was made is to the error page. Now, if there is a connection error, you will be greeted with this page. This just provides you with more information on what the error is about. It also lets you refresh the page in order to see if everything is working fine now. And it has the error message at the bottom in red. You are able to copy and paste this message and then send it through to us if you are having any issues. And the last quality of life improvement is the MIH package demo videos. Let's jump into MIH to see what this looks like. A member of Mzansi has asked me how do I load my loyalty cards to the Mzansi Wallet. And they don't want to go through all our videos to find the demo video of this. So what we've done is made it easier for you to figure out what each of the packages does in MIH. So if I want to find out how the Mzansi Wallet works, all I have to do is click and hold on the Mzansi Wallet. Once I do that, a pop-up will appear, and it will take me to a YouTube video explaining how the Mzansi Wallet works. You can do this for each of the tiles, and it will do the exact same thing. So let's see how the Mzansi AI works. I'll click and hold. And here's the video explaining how the Mzansi AI works. Please leave a comment to let me know if this feature helps you understand how to use MIH better. Now let's move on to the bug fixes for this week. The first bug fix is for the biometric authentication. So for some phones that do not have a fingerprint sensor, they would be stuck on the biometric authentication screen. We have fixed this, so even though you don't have a fingerprint scanner, you can now use your pattern or password to log into MIH. The next bug that is fixed is for the theme. So this is not more of a bug fix, it's more of us removing a feature that was added in the previous weeks because this feature wasn't working as expected. The next bug that was fixed is to the About MIH package, specifically to the Install MIH button. Now, depending on the type of device you're using, it will perform a different function. If you go onto the web version of MIH through an Android device and you click on the Install MIH button, it'll direct you through to the Play Store where you can install MIH. If you are using an iOS device, you'll be greeted with this pop-up message of the MIH installation guide specifically for iOS. So the steps there are: launch MIH on a Safari, tap the share button at the bottom of the screen, scroll down and tap add to home screen, choose the name of the app. This is optional, and then you can click add, and that's how you install MIH on the iPhone. The next bug that was fixed was to the business profile screen. After updating your details on your business profile, it would require your fingerprint again. This is not the behavior that we want, so we've removed that. So now updating your business profile is a smoother experience. And the last bug fix for this week's update is the enhancement to the drop-down fields throughout MIH. Previously, there was some weird behavior with the drop-down fields, specifically when you're using a phone. So if you were to click on the drop-down field itself, it would open up the keyboard, which messed up how things are looking on MIH. We have now fixed that, so now using the drop-down fields are a much better experience. Leave a comment to let me know if you've updated MIH yet, and if you are enjoying the enhancements we've made. Let's keep working hard, Mzansi.